No, he's gonna fly away. No!
Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how and what I generally cook while living out of my van. Let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so it's time for breakfast. The first meal I have every day, and I've had for like the last 8 years of my life, is a kefir smoothie. So I make my own kefir, which is like fermented milk. I just ferment whole milk with these little kefir grains. They're like bacteria units, scobies they call them. It's like bacteria and enzymes. And what they do is they ferment the milk, they make a super healthy bacteria laden. It's kind of like a runny yogurt. It's just super good for the gut biome. You know, we have more like bacterial cells than we have human cells in our body. And so what I do is I blend this up with banana, peanut butter, chia seeds, flax seeds, and a little bit of protein powder for the gains. I want to make sure I get my protein consumption in every day because I live pretty active and my tissue need those amino acids to rebuild. I've had a lot of like tendon and ligament issues in the past, which I attribute to 1, not resting enough, and 2, not getting enough protein. And so I really try to stay on top of my protein these days for that reason. Oh my goodness. Caught it. Yeah, my cabinets are an absolute mess right now. Don't judge me too much. We got our protein coming out. So first what I'll do is I add the chia and the flax seed into the smoothie. Then I add a little bit of water if I feel it needs it, and that just lets the chia seeds soften up and it'll make them easier to blend and easier to digest later on. After about 15 minutes, I throw my frozen bananas in there, a healthy dose of peanut butter, my protein powder, and then we just blend this thing up. And it is a tasty, healthy way for me to start every day. Creates minimal dishes, and it lets me just hit the ground running. Throw about 1.5 cups, maybe 2 cups of fresh milk in here, and by the time I get up tomorrow morning, this will be fermented into another nice batch of kefir. All right, and this is pretty much it for meal 1. Ton of fiber, some good protein, all whole natural foods. I try not to eat too much junk, but yeah, it's just a really great way to start the day. I love it. And so I will see you guys in a minute for meal 2. Also, minimal dishes. I hate doing dishes. I cook most of my meals. I do like 1-pot meals. So it's just like 1 like spatula or wooden spoon to cook the meal, 1 pot to cook it all in. And again, it just keeps dishes to a minimum, which gives me more time to not do dishes.
Hi there, sweetie. Who's a good girl? Hi there, Liberty. Good girl.
All right, so we just finished shooting, or Johnny's inside actually, just finishing up a couple of shots. He doesn't need me to model for him anymore. Go whip up a quick sandwich. Again, this is a pretty like easy lunch. I don't even really dirty any dishes for it because I'm just using a paper towel to serve as my plate. So very straightforward, minimal. I got some lunch meat for the protein. The bread, it's Dave's Killer bread. I got a bunch of fiber in there. We're gonna throw some honey mustard and some banana peppers. Unfortunately, I normally put like some sort of green, like spinach or bean sprouts. Did I forget to get it at the store? Yes, and so I'm out here in the middle of wine country. There's no store nearby really, so we're just gonna work with what we got. It's fine. Cheers. Johnny's dropping banana peppers and also dropping the ball.
They're in there going like this. What the f?
Are they on a date? What's going on? And where'd they get those sandwiches? So we were just photographying, if you will, for this winery here. And now it looks like we're on a date with sandwiches.
A sandwich date.
A good sandwich. Mm-hmm. We tell them it tastes better than it looks?
I think it looks great.
What's your favorite part of the sandwich?
Banana peppers and the mustard. I do also really like the bread and the...
Do you like, can you taste the poison that I put in yours?
So we got to a new winery and it was just about time for dinner.
All right, we are cooking with turkey, onion, pepper, don't go. I'm on a slight hill here, cucumber, plus we're gonna season it and throw some cottage cheese on there. A little Mediterranean meat veggie dish. Okay, we're gonna need a cutting board. That'll do. And we're gonna need some ghee. I use ghee instead of regular butter because it can handle higher cooking temperatures. It has a higher smoke point than butter does. Ready to cut some shit. Can't even tell that onion is 100% AI.
Are you serious, for real?
Yep.
I can't eat AI.
You can eat a guy.
That needs to be cut out.
Do you like cucumber? Okay, I'm gonna do scooping it into bowls, serving it, then I'm gonna throw this on top. Throw the cottage cheese on top. Look at this, dude. I got real bowls. Disregard that. You didn't see anything. Crudson or Knudsen. Cottage cheese.
All right.
Because we gotta get the healthy fats in here, guys.
He's
and
right.
Cheese, and I love cheese. Tell him.
No, he loves... The boy loves his cheese.
He loves cheese.
He loves cheese.
That looks good, Dalton's Adventures. Yes, did I just break my wine glass and spill wine all over my van?
Yep. He did.
Yeah.
He did.
I did. I was trying to adjust the camera to get a shot, and now I have my sweater, my van, my counter, all covered in wine everywhere but my belly.
That's correct.
What a disaster. But this is good. It's still good.
This is fantastic.
This is gonna conclude dinner. I will see you guys in a minute. Show you what I normally have for dessert, because I like to finish the night with a little something sweet.
Wait.
A little more fiber, a little more protein. What?
This was dinner? I thought this was the appetizer.
Johnny actually has to get going right now, so. Later, man.
It's good seeing everybody.
Alright. Wait, you're walking further into my van. Where?
Oh, can I take this? Alright, come on.
And scene. Ladies and germs, for the main event of the evening, we are ready for dessert. My favorite part and meal of the day. Yes, we're still gonna make it healthy, but man, oh man, is it gonna be tasty. So let's see what we got. Ooh. For this one, we are going to need frozen berries and some Dannon Light and Fit Greek yogurt. Guys, this stuff right here, let me hit you with it. It has 14 grams of protein in a serving, 8 grams of sugar, It's not vanilla ice cream, but it is pretty freaking close. The stuff is so killer. I would also probably like to throw a little bit of granola in here or something, but I don't have any. I'm okay with just the yogurt and the frozen mixed berries. Oops. Just changed the setting there. I think that should be there. I don't know. Whatever. We have strawberries, cherries, blueberries, pomegranate, arrows, whatever that is, and raspberries. Let's go. Throw the yogi. Dude, I'm telling you, this tastes like it tastes like healthy vanilla ice cream. It's probably not as good as ice cream, but it does a pretty good job, and it has way more nutrition in it. Next up, we're gonna throw a few berries in here. Where there's cherries and stuff, pomegranates, I guess it's not all berries, whatever. Am I making a mess? Yes. Should we do some more? Because we like the fiber. We like the tasty frozen fruit. I feel like it tastes so much better when it's frozen too. Just gonna mix it around a little bit. And you guys know no dessert would be complete without some anime, so it's anime time. Let's go! Ugh. No! Cheers, everybody.
Makima was asking for me and Powie, so we're gonna bounce.
We came to eat your good will, so nothing more.
Here, be a nice guy too. See ya.
Man. Spoiler alert, but a lot of this guy's friends just died. He's in a bad place here. I get it.
Alright guys, so dessert is finished, and the amount of yogurt that I had to wash off of my face is out of this world. I don't know how, but I don't know if I have any more, but all my lips were completely caked in yogurt. I didn't realize, so I started trying to film, and I'm like, okay, I'll have to redo that. I look like a damn fool. But thanks for watching. If you guys made it this far, it helps me a ton if you could hit that thumbs up and like the video. Just to recap though, when you're cooking and living in a van, I try to keep things as simple as possible so we don't dirty too many dishes, and get as close to the foods as you could find them in nature. So minimal processing, get a lot of fiber, try to get a lot of protein. Those are really my main goals. And generally if you're hitting those marks, you're probably eating a pretty well-balanced diet. So I guess I'll see you next time. Deuces.
If you could hit that like button, helps me out a ton. I'm really grateful. I love ya. I hope you love me. I'll see you guys next time.
Stop. Literally stop. Literally stop. Literally.
It's pretend.
No, I'm not okay with this anymore. I'm literally not okay with this.
Fine, then I'm leaving.
No, you're not leaving. Get over here, Dad. Yep. Hey, come here. Come here, you. No, he's gonna fly away. No.